success ratio, and we've got an email from somebody who's an internet marketer saying, I've got about 5 big successes in 5 years of online marketing and about 500 projects, and is a person's success ratio fixed or can it be changed? Well, the short answer is absolutely it's fixed. It's all got to do with deservability, it's got to do with self-image, and essentially what I'd say is that 5 out of 500 is a massive failure rate. If in our business we had 1 in every 100 projects fail, I'd be ready to shoot myself. Now, just before I shot myself, I'll be doing some work on, like I said, self-esteem and deservability. So you've got to look inside and say to yourself, what's my investment in such a high level of failure? You know, 495 failed projects is a pretty daunting kind of a thing. The only thing you can say about failure is it's great for learning. But if you're not learning as you go and applying that to the next project, then I'd say that's a method for self-sabotage. So, you know, really whoever sent us this question, you should have a bloody great big long list of things to not do because you've found out all the things to not do. You should be a wizard at staying away from this, never do that, this doesn't work, those kind of things. You can probably teach online marketing extraordinarily well just based on what you've learned doesn't work. But have you applied that in what you're doing? So the work, get yourself as quickly as possible into either Mindset Essentials or come back to the Mindset Riddle, and let's work on it together in terms of lifting self-esteem so you have a higher level of deservability, because you're basically messing it up so that you don't get better.